Hey everyone, good morning. My name is Kachi. I hope you guys are doing very well. I hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you for joining me today, and let's join me as we review the news today. National electricity grid crashes from 3,703 megawatts to 9 megawatts, says the federal government. Newspaper figures obtained on Monday from the Nigerian Electricity System Operator, an arm of the federal government power transmission company, show that the national electricity grid actually crashed from a peak of 3,703 megawatts to as low as 9 megawatts on Sunday. Nigeria witnessed widespread blackout on Sunday after the national grid collapsed around 6:49 p.m. before engineers from the transmission company of Nigeria strived to ensure the recovery of the grid. The Punch had reported on Monday that Sunday's grid collapse was the fifth in 2022, a development that made many power distribution companies shut down their various outgoing electricity feeders. Data sourced from the NESO on Monday in Abuja, which showed that the performance of the national grid on Sunday indicated that the peak generation of Sunday of 3,703 megawatts was recorded at 5 a.m. Honestly, guys, I really do not know how a country is going to function without electricity. I mean, this is one of the major problems that we all are facing in the country called Nigeria. It is terrible. It is terrible. The 21st century, every other country is doing everything possible to make sure they provide steady electricity supply for the citizens, and Nigerians grid is collapsing. I mean, this is the fifth time in 2022, and it's barely 6 months. It's not even 6 months already. And the power grid has failed for the fifth time in 2022. Is it that they are not putting a lasting solution to this? Because I really do not understand. It has happened, they came, they fixed it, it happened again for the second time, happened for the third, the fourth, and this is the fifth time it is happening. I really do not understand because the truth is, I don't know how a country is going to function without electricity. Honestly, I mean, in Nigeria, you have to provide whatever comfort you want for yourself. What about those people that don't have the means, they don't have the resources to provide this comfort for themselves? What do they do? Where do they run to? Because honestly, guys, this is really alarming. This is the fifth time a whole national grid is failing. And just imagine it moved from a 3,703 megawatts to 9 megawatts. What are we supposed to do with that? What? I mean, a lot of businesses are collapsing. A lot of business are collapsing because of electricity. I mean, we all know the increment in fuel and all of that. Going to your office, running generator just to power your business. Then you come home and do the same thing because you're not sure if you're even going to have light. You're not sure if you're going to have power by the time you get home. So imagine going to the stress of Nigeria, the hustle and bustle of Nigeria each day, and you come back home to do the same thing. You know, the noise, pollution, and everything, the noise here and there, because everybody practically owns a generator in Lagos. Everybody has a generator in Nigeria. This is really sad because I mean I'm just trying to figure out how a country can properly function or how somebody can actually get profit from their businesses when they are practically running on generator every single time. I mean, the other day I went to the bank and everywhere was a total blackout, and we asked as to why that was. And they were like, "Oh, they're trying to manage fuel." Like, can you guys even believe that? Is it not shameful? Is it not something to be ashamed about? I mean, so many countries are working towards getting a permanent and a lasting solution to electricity in the country, and we're still battling with a national grid falling in and out. And is that what we're still battling with? Let's not even talk about the many problems in the country as insecurity and the rest, because that one never stops. We keep hearing of different news every day. Every day you're working, you're scared, you're talking, you're scared, you're driving, you're scared, everything you're just scared about. But now I just want to even focus on electricity. I mean, how can a whole national grid move from 3,703 megawatts to just 9 megawatts? This is sad, guys. This is sad. You want to do your job, you need to get a generator, you need to get fuel, you come back home, you do the same thing. How can we move as a country? How can we move when we call ourselves the giant of Africa? How can we move forward? Because personally, in my opinion, I really think that for a nation to be successful, you need to have power supply 247. You need to have power supply. It would not only reduce the cost of your daily expense, it will also make you function even better. Imagine not being able to sleep at night because of the noise of generator. Like, it is alarming, guys. It is crazy. It is sad. It is painful. And for every time they keep sending you a message, oh, sorry, and we have a problem with the grid, we have a problem with this, they provide a lasting solution to this thing so we don't have to keep saying sorry. You guys know there's a level you hear sorry to that. The sorry doesn't even mean anything to you anymore because you feel this person is intentionally hurting you. I mean, stop saying sorry. Do what is needed of you to be done. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Stop saying sorry. Sometimes sorry doesn't even cut it out. I'm just really amazed at what is happening in the country in 21st century. This is the fifth time that the whole national grid is failing. And this is barely 6 months, 2022. It is barely 6 months. I mean, today is just the 14th of June. What we've not even gotten to the half of June. And the national grid has failed 5 good times, guys. I really do not understand what is going on. I really do not understand. And you're asking Nigerians in the diaspora to come home. What are they coming home to? What are they coming home to do? When we cannot even have the least, the basics. We're not asking for too much. We're just asking for the basics, the basics, the basics. This is really sad. This is really sad because I don't know why they keep saying Nigerians in the diaspora should come home, come home, come home. What are they coming to? You have to be able to provide them some kind of, you know, something that they have to come back home to. But none of this has been provided. So what do you expect them to do? What do you expect them to do? This is really sad, guys. Honestly, I'm not very happy with this news. I'm not very happy with what is happening in the country at the moment. Honestly, guys, I'm not very happy about it. Don't you guys think that this electricity issue is something that can be solved once and for all? Don't you guys think so? Because I really believe if they want to do this, is something that they can do. I really, really do believe so. I really do believe if they want to put a lasting solution to electricity, I think it's something that can be done. I mean, other countries have done it and we can also do it. I don't think it's an impossible task. I don't think it's something that is out of the ordinary. I think it's something that can be done if we really want to do it. So the question is, what is making them not do it? What is stopping them? What is the problem? Why are they not doing it? Do they just like us to suffer? Do they just enjoy us suffering? Or what exactly is the issue? Because honestly, guys, I really do not know what is going on. Yet you're increasing tariff every now and then. You're increasing electricity tariff, you're increasing it, but yet we're not even seeing the light. We're not even seeing electricity. It is really sad, guys. I really would like to know what you think in the comment section because honestly at this point I am speechless. I don't even know what else to say. I don't even know what to even think at this point. If they want to sort this out, I think they can do it. It's not impossible. Other people have done it. Other people have been living with 24/7 electricity for years. And I think if we want to do it, it's something that can be done in Nigeria too. I don't think it's an impossible thing to do. I really do not think so. I really do not think so, because if it's impossible, other people will not be doing it. So, what are the measures to put in place to actualize this goal? What? At least we want to be able to go through the stress of Nigeria, hustle and bustle, and come home and sleep in a comfortable bed, and come home and relax, knowing that okay, at least something is working. We're just barely asking for the basics. So I pray this doesn't fall on deaf ears, because I mean this is really sad. It is really sad. I really do not know what to say, because it's something that is shameful. I mean, everywhere you go, people detest Nigerians, and it's really sad. That one is even a topic for another day, because I mean racism is on another level entirely, but that will be another topic for another day. Because if we start with that, I don't think we're going to leave here today. Guys, I don't know, but I would really like to hear what you think in the comment section. I would really like to know what you think, because like I said earlier, personally, I think if they want to do something about electricity, providing us electricity 24/7, putting a total solution to this electricity issue, I think it can be done. I personally think it's not impossible. I mean, for other people to have done it, we also can do it. So I really think it's not impossible. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because is it that they want us to suffer? Is it that they just enjoy us suffering, or they enjoy us complaining? Because I don't see the reason why this cannot be sorted out once and for all. I would really like to know what you guys think in the comment section. Please drop your comment. Let me even know what you think. Are you being affected in your area? For those of you in Nigeria, when last did you have lights? Are you even being affected in your area? What do you think? What do you think can put a lasting solution to this problem of electricity? If you're a business owner, how has this electricity problem affected your business? How? What toll has this got on your business? Has it made you spend excess? Has it made you, almost give up on your business? I would really like to know in the comment section, because this is hurting everybody. It is hurting you, and it's hurting me. I'm really pained about what is going on. I'm really sad about everything. I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, I just want to use this opportunity to remind all of us to go get your PVCs, guys. If you're yet to do so, please get your PVC. Please vote wisely. Vote for your conscience. Vote wisely, guys, because this is not the time to, vote based on 1,000 naira or one half bag of rice, or one half bag of gari. This is not the time to do so. This is the time the youth needs to stand up, arise, and do the needful, and do what is right, and get your country back. This is the time. Vote wisely. Vote wisely. If you're yet to do so, please do so. Encourage your people back home to do so. Talk to people around you. Make a conscious effort to always talk to people around you. Sensitize people. Let them know what is going on in the country. Let them know why they cannot vote for one bag of rice this time around. Make them understand, guys, please, because we are doing our part. I am doing my part. You have to do your part. We have to work together to actualize the goal that we're aiming for. Okay. Thank you all so much, guys, for being here today. I really appreciate you. I love you. Thank you for your support. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so. Please share this broadcast, like this broadcast, comment and share. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. If you're yet to do so, please do so. Tell a friend to tell another friend to come to NIGERIAN Watch platform and see what we're doing here, because this platform is not just for me and you, it is for everybody to come here, air their views and all of that. Thank you all so much, guys, for watching. And do not forget, we're going to be having a discussion today at 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So endeavor to be there, endeavor to participate. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate you. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.